Hello, hi, welcome to today's English grammar class with Miss Anne. Today we're looking at phrases and types of phrases. Yes, that's right. We've said goodbye to verbs, okay? We really hung out with verbs a lot. We played with verbs a lot. From what a verb is, regular verbs, irregular verbs, um, reported verbs. What else did we learn? Linking verbs and verb phrases. So we have said bye to verb phrases, and now we are looking at phrases and types of phrases. Phrases and types of phrases. So we are going to learn what a phrase is. We're going to learn how to list and explain the different types of phrases. We're going to learn how to identify phrases in sentence, and at the end of everything, we should be able to use phrases correctly. So let's get right into it. What is a phrase? A phrase is a group of words that work together to convey a meaning. So just like verb phrase, you might have said a verb phrase is a group of words that work together to show an action. Now, a phrase is a group of words that work together to convey a meaning. So you can see the picture over here. We have three people working together. So each of them have a piece of a puzzle. Okay, so each person has a piece of puzzle and they're trying to come together to make their pieces of puzzle into just one big piece of puzzle. That is what a phrase is like. So a group of words coming together, working together to convey a meaning. Now, we have the types of phrases, five types of phrases. Number one, noun phrase. Number two, verb phrase, which we looked at in our last class. Number three, adjective phrase. Four, adverb phrase. And five, prepositional phrase. I know that it looks like a lot of things to learn, but trust me, they are really easy and short. So let's get right into it. So, number one, we have noun phrase. What is noun phrase? Noun phrase is a group of words that form a single noun. So different words come together, but at the end of the day, they are all just one noun. Example, the big red car, big blue eyes. Okay? The big red car, big red car. All working together to work as what? A noun. So we're talking about a car and we're trying to describe that the car is big, the car is red in color. Okay, so that is noun phrase. Then under the second type of phrase, we have the verb phrase, and we've talked about verb phrase. Okay, they work together to show an action. So I am eating. I comes, am comes, him, I say him, eating comes, and by the time these three join together, you have what? I am eating to show the action of what am I doing? I am eating. The third type of phrase we have is the adjective phrase. Now, adjective just simply describes a noun. Example, a child. What about that child? What is going on with that child? A very happy child. It tells us that the child is very happy. So you know that a child is a noun because a noun is the name of a person, animal, place, or thing. So a child is a person. And we are trying to describe that child. The child is very happy. So a very happy child. That is adjective. And then the fourth type of phrase we have, you have adverb phrase or adverbial phrase. So if adverbial phrase is too long for you, you can call it adverb, okay? And if you don't mind, you can call it adverbial phrase. So you're talking about the same thing. So what is adverb or adverbial phrase? Now this is a group of words that describe a verb, an adjective, or an adverb. Example, she sings beautifully. Now, singing is an action, so that means it's a verb. How does she sing? Does she sing terribly? Does she sing loudly? Does she sing off key? No, she sings beautifully. So, beautifully there is trying to describe how she sings, and that is an adverb. So, an adverb describes. Okay? Now, the last type of phrase we have is called prepositional phrase. Now, prepositional phrase is a group of words that show relationship between words. The book is on the table. The book is a word. The table is a word. Now, is the book on the table? Is the book under the table? Is the book beside the table? No, the book is on the table. So it's showing us where exactly the book is. Okay, I want to tell you to help me look for the book. I won't just say, get the book for me. Where exactly is the book? I need to tell you exactly where the book is. It's on the table, so you don't have to go and look underneath the table or beside the table or around the table. So the book is right there on the table. So on there is a prepositional phrase. So a preposition shows us the relationship between two words. Okay, so summary, we've learned what a phrase is, and we said that a phrase is a group of words that come together to convey a meaning. And we've learned that we have five types of phrases: noun phrase, verb phrase, adverb phrase, adjective phrase, and prepositional phrase. And we've learned what each of those phrases are, and we've looked at a couple of examples. Okay, so now having learned all of that, I want to believe that you can use a verb phrase correctly, you can use a noun phrase correctly, you can use any type of phrase correctly. So let's try out some of this. Now let's identify. The teacher gave us a lot of homework. The teacher gave us a lot of homework. Now, this statement, can you identify the noun phrase in this statement? The teacher gave us a lot of homework. I'm sure you can do that. The second one, they are playing soccer in the field. What do you think the verb phrase is in that? The extremely hot weather made us tired. The extremely hot weather made us tired. What do you think the adjective phrase is in that sentence? Number four, he drives very carefully. He drives very carefully. How does he drive? He drives very carefully. So, what is the adverb phrase in that sentence? And then the last one we have, the dog is under the bed. The dog is under the bed. What do you think the prepositional phrase is in that sentence? So please try it out and get back to me. And with that, we have come to the end of today's class on phrases and types of phrases. So I hope you had fun and I hope you found it easy learning about phrases and the various types of phrases. I look forward to seeing you in our next class. Bye.